The main challenge was delivering a high-quality digital stereo 3D image in a familiar viewing format without any need for any special eyewear.
When people first see ProteQ VISO, it's usually the glasses-free 3D display that stands out. Defects and features that are hard to interpret in 2D suddenly become clear in 3D.
The breakthrough moment came for us in the team when the display image finally reached the high standard we set for ourselves. You can really see it in people's faces. They sit down in front of it, their eyebrows lift, and they just go, wow.
Traditionally, customers have had to choose. Stereo microscopes gave depth, but no sharing. Digital microscopes gave sharing, but lost depth. ProteQ VISO combines both.
What excites me most about ProteQ VISO is how it changes the way stereo microscopes have worked for years. Bringing new technologies, new ways of working, new capabilities, bringing experts and users together from around the world at the same time, viewing the same thing in 3 dimensions. That's never been possible before.
It transforms inspection from a single operator task into a transparent, collaborative process. The system gives confidence in every decision made.